ACT-2 is Hyundai Robotics' newest foundation AI model designed specifically for physical intelligence. Instead of memorizing a fixed sequence of motions, the model understands how to manipulate flexible objects, even when their shape changes completely. According to Hyundai Robotics, ACT-2 lets Memo fold unfamiliar clothes in completely new environments, hitting over a 99% success rate in testing. We see it adapt in real time when it encounters inside-out pants, manipulating the fabric to right them before folding. When a piece of clothing slides off the table, the robot tracks the drop, physically lowers its body to the floor, retrieves the item, and just keeps going. It seamlessly transitions from wrestling with massive 8XL shirts to delicately folding tiny baby clothes. Its vision system identifies where each piece of clothing begins and ends, while estimating hidden folds underneath the visible surface. This process happens almost instantly, using multiple AI perception models working together. Keeping all this hardware moving is a heavy-duty battery pack built for chore endurance, delivering a solid 4 hours of continuous runtime. When it finally runs out of juice, it can fast charge from 0 to 80% in just 1 hour. Hyundai Robotics says each hand-built Memo currently costs around $20,000 to manufacture, but mass production is expected to reduce that cost by at least 50%. Regarding availability, Memo is scheduled to enter an invite-only beta program in late 2026 with selected households. After gathering real-world feedback and improving reliability, a broader commercial launch is expected later, although the company has not announced a final retail release date.